Hey friends, David with David's Cane Machines and Tubo Biz. Do you like coffee? I love coffee. I love the way it gives you that jolt and wakes you up. I like the way when you smell it in the morning, it's so good. But you also like cane juice, right? We love cane juice. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys a really cool hack I discovered on how to add coffee flavor to your cane juice. Coming right up.
Friends, this has been a secret of mine for years, and finally I am going to tell you. This is the secret of mixing coffee beans with sugar cane. I'm okay. I didn't lose my marbles. Friends, putting coffee beans inside of the sugar cane and then pressing it gives the most amazing and energizing flavor to sugarcane juice. So this is my secret how I do it, okay friends? You want to put one finger between the cane there, and you want to have your hand flat on the back so the beans don't fall out, okay? So take your coffee beans, you can see my coffee beans here, okay? You're going to take them, takes a little while, but it's worth making the cup, and you'll just put the coffee beans in, okay? Just drop them in inside, all right? So the coffee beans, you can see coffee beans inside there, all right? I like to put at least 10 beans, sometimes more, but you put the coffee beans on the inside of the sugar cane, and this will really jazz up your juice. And you can also mix sugarcane juice, by the way, directly with coffee. You can mix coffee together with sugarcane juice. You pour the sugarcane juice and use it as your sugar for coffee. But this is another recipe where you actually crush the beans inside the sugarcane and then you drink it. And friends, it is fantastic. Okay, let's make the cup here. All right, we're using our TT 750D Pro. Our coffee beans are on the inside, okay? There we go. The juice retains its yellow color. You know, it doesn't really lose the color in the back. You can see the crushed beans in the back here. Trying to find some. Here they are. Here's the crushed coffee beans that were inside the sugar cane. Okay, see that there? All right, now I'm going to be the one here to do the taste test for you, but I highly encourage you, if you have the opportunity, to do this at home because it is the most amazing and jazzing flavor, okay? Friends, you will not believe how good that tastes. You will not believe how good that tastes. That is absolutely amazing. I'm going to hand this to our cameraman. Let him come over here with his camera and take a taste of this. This will be the first time he's ever had it. It is amazing, and you can mix. If you want it more intense, put more beans inside. If you want it less intense, less beans. Now I had in here, in this amount, about 10 beans, okay? You could put ice in there. You could warm it up a little bit if you want, but friends, my secret recipe I am revealing today is coffee beans mixed with sugarcane juice. And it absolutely is a winner and fantastic. Try it out, friends. Cheers to your health. Wow, it's great. Have a great day wherever you are. I'm David with Tubo Biz.
Are you ready to drink some coffee? Coming up next is a fruit and cane hack video you're going to love. Subscribe, hit the bell, and get the next videos coming real soon.